Hi everyone, this is Nagajyoti Osingi. You're watching Wear Pride NGO App. Please note that for government and NGO, we have a single app based upon the user credentials. Related app screens would be rendered. NGO users are administered users, so they would get credentials from the administrator. The first time they can do a change password. And for NGOs, the way they log in, they would be seeing the Google map with these red dots. Red dots are nothing but the notifications from citizens. When citizens look at transgender community begging on the streets, found helpless, they can do notifications using Vio Pride Citizen app. All those notifications would be displayed to the NGOs. Each NGO would have mapping of how many areas, how many locations that come under their purview as part of the database table. For this NGO, the sample user ID what we are using, we have used areas around Hyderabad, Kukatpalli, Nizampet, Miapur, Hydernagar. These are the areas which are mapped under this NGO. That's how when NGO user logs in, they would be seeing all the notifications which are coming in and around this area. All the red dots display the notifications as I have mentioned, and then you can see a couple of these blue dots. These blue dots are the insights from the platform. When they click on this blue dot, they would be able to see, are there any registered users from the community, the Pride community in this area, and along with the name and the phone number. These are the people who are ready to do the volunteering for their own community. So when there are multiple notifications in this area, the two actions NGO would have. One action is that they decide that, okay, there are too many notifications in this area that indicates that Pride members are available and they are not really aware of policy benefits, the transgender bill benefits, and that's how they still do a begging and stuff, getting into the reskilling programs. If that is a situation, NGO can decide that probably the same day or the next day they would do a probably reach these locations and see if they can find out the community and do a policy awareness campaign. But this would be the later stage plan. What they can do is, looking at these blue dots, they can look at those numbers and then quickly call them up to say that, there is this notifications that we are getting in this your area. Can you kind of find out and see if you can help us to reach this community? That's how these blue dots are going to help NGO to reach the community members who are found helpless in the particular area. Other than this feature, NGO would also have a screen to submit the statistics. Every time when they see the notifications and then they decide to reach the location to find out the transgender community, do a policy awareness campaign, they can always come back and update how many times they went to the areas and they were able to successfully find out the people, what we call as success converts. So the notifications versus success converts. So this is one of the metric where they can come to the screen and mention that they were able to find out age group of 20 to 30, let us say, and then they were able to find out around 10 members or 11 members, and they were able to do the awareness campaign, and then they have done it, let us say, on the 9th September, and then they can submit these statistics to the platform. They can also submit the other statistics like the Pride members can always use a buddy connect. It can be a call or a chat with NGO buddy. So how many those buddy connects happen in a particular month? So how many cases they were, let us say they were around going through the depression. So some of those statistics also they can update, NGO can update for a particular date or a month. So these are some of the basic statistics that NGO can submit. And other than that, there is the home button, change password, and log out for NGO mobile app. Thank you for listening